Okay, today is January 20th, 2023. We're at 1574 Alexander Drive in West Bloomfield. As you can see, we have a 3-inch thin wall. This is a conductor. This complex has flat roofs. We're going to show you where we cut the pipe here. As you can see, we do have, we're trying to show here that black rope that's a heat tape that's going through. We are going to go ahead and show you the issue with this line. As you can see here, you can see where the pipe is all broken. This is going up to a 90. Here you can see where the 90 is cracked into a coupling, and you can see where the coupling itself is cracked, and you can see the pipe goes into a wall at this point. We're showing it right here. We're going to kind of show you the area. This kind of gives you an idea. This is a void between two deck areas. We'll show you this is an underneath deck that we're accessing. That's our hole from 1574. And this basement wall here we're showing you is actually the wall for 1572. As you can see, this is an open area. We'll show the camera this way. Kind of like basically an open / enclosed area that has no access to it other than from the deck area, again, of 1574. We're going to try and show that one. You see where the light's coming through right there. That's our deck area, and as you can see, it just goes back into an alcove that's surrounded by the basement walls. We're going to do a televised of this line going out. As you can see, we have the heat tape here, and you can see it turns to corrugated, and you can see the heat tape runs all through the corrugated pipe. And you can see here, the corrugated pipe, we have a lot of debris in the line. We're trying to get our camera through at this point. Here again, you can see we do hold a good amount of water. We are going to pause at this time. Okay, we did check. We do have a corrugated pipe that's exposed in this area, but we do not see the camera in it at this time. But as you can see, this outlet is completely underwater. Okay, you can see now we're back out of water, and here you can see we're at a transition again to PVC pipe. Trying to get our camera past this point, but as you can see, this is difficult to do as the pipe is pushed through just into the corrugated. It's not a regular connection. As you can see, we're hitting the side. Okay, we may actually have to pull back and get some string to see if we can pull our camera up to go ahead and continue to locate past this area. So we will pull back at this time. We will record, but as you've seen, the corrugated does have some water that sits in it. Okay, as you can see here, we have a outlet, what looks to be in the 12 o'clock position. We are going to continue to pull back. We will continue to record, but as you can see, this corrugated does hold water, which definitely is a possibility of freezing. We are going to put a string on, and we're also going to locate all this piping in this alcove and see if we can determine where the piping actually goes, and then see if we can get into the PVC and try and televise to an actual outlet. Okay, we've marked this area. It's about 6 inches in from the line itself. We're going to continue on. We do want to go ahead and, as you can see here, it looks like we have corrugated that's shoved into corrugated. You can see our heat tape continues. We're going to locate this area. Alright, we've located this. We're approximately maybe a foot away from our first flag. As of right now, this line is running from the basement wall of 1752. It's running between and heading towards 1754. We're going to push our camera in a little ways, and then we're going to go ahead and locate again. As you can see here, we're holding water. Okay, here we came out of water, and you can see we have a bit of debris. We're going to pause again to locate. Okay, this line has turned. It is actually heading towards the back. It's heading along the wall, along the basement wall for 1754. We're going to continue our televise. As you can see, we did get some debris. As you can see, we're clear again here. You can see we are holding some water. Again, you can see we're going to pause right here and locate as we're starting to hold water again. Okay, we have located this area. We're going farther down towards the back wall. We are down approximately 2 foot. As you can see, we're starting to hold water again. We're going to continue our televise. Okay, we are going to televise this area right here. As you can see, we have a T trying to determine where this is at. All right, as you can see, we are having difficulty trying to get in here. We are going to pause to locate